essentially got three buttons, or three icons, which is the gate, being the front gate, and the door, being the door, and the other one being the gate and door. So all they do is call a URL, which is hosted by the Arduino, which triggers the remote. So if I hit the gate and door, the combination, and simply pressing it again reverses it. Or if I use the gate only, it just actions the gate. Or in the same as function as a remote control, if I press the gate again, it'll open it. If I press it whilst the gate's in motion, it'll stop the gate, and pressing it again will reverse the direction. That's it.